These once danced all day. We took more than we needed, left us go where green ones grew. But the earth is still forgiving if we rise and see it through. One earth, one chance. This is our time to change. Lift our voice, take in styles, and break the plastic chain. No more waiting, no more waste. Let the rivers run clear again. For the children, for the future, let the healing now begin. And we can end plastic pollution together, hand in hand. From the cities to the oceans, from the mountains to the shore, we can build a better story, one that values life much more. Bring your bottle, bring your promise, bring your courage to the fight. It's not too late to turn the tide and bring the dark to light. One earth, one chance. This is our time to change. Lift our voices, take a stand, and break the plastic chain. No more waiting, no more waste. Let the forest breathe again. For the waves, for the waters, for the skies without the stain. We can end plastic pollution if we rise and not refrain. Every bag, every straw, every careless throw, let's replace it with love and let the conscience grow. We are more than consumers, we're protectors of this land. If we act today, tomorrow we'll understand. One chance, this is our time to rise. With the oceans in our hearts and the future in our eyes. Let's refill, reuse, restore. Let the world be whole once more. Ending plastic pollution, it starts with me. One earth, one chance. Let's make it true. All day, we took more than we needed, left us go